Hey guys, and welcome back to DC Unplugged, and today we're actually unboxing the Dragon the Beast. So this was actually a request from a couple of you fellow viewers. So I've pulled a couple strings and here we are. So let's waste no more time, roll that intro and let's unbox this beast. Let's go.
Perfect.
So, got a Stanley knife here, guys. Let us know in the comments that camera angle, by the way, because kind of new, kind of thought of it all of a sudden. So let us know in the comment section down below. But no more stalling. Let's start opening this box. So this is a really thick feeling cardboard. So the packaging on this is really good. It's got those cardboard corners. I'll just cut them off. All right, I'm not sure if I'm gonna need that again, but let's have a look. All right, ready? Ooh, that is some thick cardboard. So you can see here, guys, that's really thick. It's like a good finger. It's really thick cardboard. So they've done a really good packaging. So I'll just bring this here, guys. So it's got that thick cardboard edging around there, so they're really trying to look after the scooter, so which is really good to see. More cardboard. All right. This thing looks cool. All right, I'm gonna grab a couple things out. I'm hoping you guys can see kind of inside the box, but I'll move the box over anyway, so I'll just pull those couple things out. You would have seen me just pull out, but that's inside, that's how she's packaged. Not bad at all. I need a Red Bull, I'm kidding. All right. Oh, that's a heavy scooter. Try to slam it on the ground. That out of the way, here we have it, guys. Looks good already. All right. Okay. Okay, there we go. So that's the locking mechanism in place. I'll put this stand down. We'll take that off too. The ground clearance on this thing is a beast. Wow. All right, I'll definitely have to get the lightning in here to show you this gap between like ground clearance is definitely made for a bit of off-road fun. All right, this is exciting. All right, so we'll open the box that's come on the deck, see what's inside of it. So the box of deck, so this will have our charger and stuff in there. Always cut away from yourself. All right, so inside we have a toolkit. So standard Dragon toolkit that'll have all your Allen keys and stuff like that to put the scooter together, which you'll probably see in a couple seconds. You'll see me run over that real quick. We have the power cord for the charging brick. So by the looks of it, actually uses the same power brick as the Lightning. And we've got this, what's this? Dragon Scooters hydraulic brake toolkit. Nice. So this is for basically, I would say, for bleeding the brakes, which is a good thing to have. All right, so we're getting to move on to the bars. So I'm all new to this one as well, guys. I've never done this one before or put it together, so you pretty much come along for the ride with me. Get all that plastic out of the way. Let me see this gorgeous thing. I'm gonna leave that on because you know what that is. I'll leave that on. Get a nice close up of that one because we love that.
Always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change in my mind.
All right, that's cool. I'm not sure if that camera's gonna be able to bring it up on there, guys, but it's actually got, just here, it's got The Beast written down the side, which is pretty cool.
Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill. I know life's short, so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
So in the toolkit, guys, just in case you don't know, little bag, has all your Allen keys and stuff like that you need to put the scooter together, which is pretty sweet. So we are going to go this one. I'll probably just fast forward this all up, guys, because you'll pretty much know how to put it together. Actually, no. I'm gonna put you guys on a different styled headset. And I'm gonna see if that ends up being better. So hang with us and I'm gonna try out something for you. Okay, so we have a bit of a different camera angle now, guys. So, oh, there we go, we have steering. Man, this thing's a beast. Look at these shocks. All right, cool. Its hand grip's pretty nice too. We've got thumb throttle start, nice. Cool. These are all tight and they're not moving. Got lights on and off. I'd assume that'd be a horn. And there's the keys there. Cool. Just hang on the side there. All right, so looks like I think everything's together, but as you usually do with these scooters, you go over every single bolt, nut, everything, just to be sure. It's always a good practice to have that in there. So you just go over all your nuts and bolts, just check everything over, and I'll quickly put you back on the stand and we'll have a look at a couple of things together. So I actually just found something really cool when I was just kind of getting the camera set up. And there's a little tag down here. I'm not sure if you guys can quite see that. I'll grab you in a minute, but it's actually stuck on the back here. And it's a little certified little dragon thing saying that it's been looked after or looked at. There it is there. That's pretty cool. So I thought I'd really just quickly spin it around, guys, so you got to see these nice big brakes on there that look really cool. I don't know why I'm a big fan of disc brakes. It just looks cool and they work really well, so what can I say? Car guy. So it has brakes, got dual chargers down here. Oh no, we've got one charger port on the back there. So no dual charging on this. Okay, wow, this thing's huge. Massive deck. Like, massive deck. That's crazy. Yeah, guys, well, the Dragon Beast. This is quite the bit of kit. It's got these huge, huge twin headlights that are ridiculously bright. Oh, I'm so gonna have to set those up because they're just straight to blind people in the eyes. Yeah, wow. This is a cool scooter. So definitely, guys, if you want to see more about this scooter, I will be doing a review on this scooter. So specs, everything like that. I thought I'd just do an unboxing and show you guys a little bit about the scooter until we go over it in full detail. So definitely like and subscribe, guys, if you want to see more and see what this thing can really do. And just before I go, I'll quickly show you that height difference on this thing is huge. So guys, this is the Lightning beside it. The bottom of it always comes to the top of the deck. Oh, this is going to be cool. I'm excited for this one. All right, that's it for me, guys. Definitely like and subscribe, and especially if you want to be notified about the review of this scooter, and of course in DC Unplugged detail, we'll go right thoroughly through it, all the features, all the modes.